Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Nexus Trade. Today is Wednesday, 30th of March 2022. Welcome back to our daily market forecast. We begin our session with dollar index. We can see that the dollar hit a 6-year high versus their US Treasury yields hit to a new multi-year highs. The Treasury 10-year yields hit above 2.5% to 3 years high, with the US Federal Reserve expected to deliver a half-point interest rate rise in May as it tackles rising inflation and having kicked off its tightening cycle this month. We now expect the FOMC to hike by 50 basis points at the next two meetings before shifting back to a 25 basis point per meeting for the remainder of the years. Interest rate hike expectation helped lift the dollar to its highest in 2 weeks against a basket of 6 major peers currency. So we can see that dollar index currently is keep on challenging the resistance of 99.3. So my suggestion is you have to monitor the price action at 99.3, especially a breakout signal over here. If the price breakout 99.3 in 4-hour chart, then we can continue to buy when a pullback is given. Alright, this is my suggestion on dollar index. Next, let us look at silver. Alright, we can see that silver, the price is continue to drop, and currently is a very important support, which is 24.55. Alright, you have to monitor the price action at 24.55. If the price break down 24.55, then my suggestion is we just follow the momentum and continue to sell silver. Alright, and then the lowest support will be 24. Alright, will be 24. And then we can see that it's a very potential 5-wave structure as well. So you have to monitor the price action at 24.55. As we can see, currently bearish conviction dominate. The bearish momentum is quite strong. So we don't simply guess the bottom at 24.55, right? Next, let us have a look on Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, we can see that the price continued to rally in 4-hour chart. In short term, for Nasdaq, as long as the price stands above the uptrend line in 1-hour chart, we can continue to buy Nasdaq. And then the nearest support will be 14,600. 14,600 will be the support for Nasdaq. Then how about the upper resistance? So the upper resistance will be 15,300. Alright, so the upper resistance will be 15,300. So we can continue to buy Nasdaq in short term. So the next pairing that I would like to recommend will be EUR-GBP. For EUR-GBP in daily chart, we can see that the price rebound and we can see that the price form a fake key over here. And the most important signal we have seen is the price stand firmly above 0.83. So my suggestion in 4-hour chart, we can continue to buy in whenever a pullback is given. Whenever a pullback is given, we can continue to buy EUR-GBP. And then the upper resistance will be 0.86. The upper resistance will be 0.86. Alright, for EUR-GBP, I repeat again, we just continue to follow the momentum and buy whenever a pullback is given, and then the upper resistance will be 0.86. So the last pairing that I would like to recommend will be a cryptocurrency, which is Litecoin. We can see that Litecoin in the 4-hour chart, the price move upwards steadily. As long as the price stands above the uptrend line, then we can continue to buy Litecoin. The upper resistance will be 142. Alright, 142. So there's still a space over here. My suggestion is continue to buy whenever pullback is given. So the upper resistance will be 142. Then the support will be 124. The lower support will be 124. Alright, so before I end my session, I would like to summarize again. For dollar index, currently the price is still very strong. So kindly monitor the breakout signal at 99.3 as the price might continue to rally and the upper resistance will be 100. Next, for silver, we can see that silver currently bearish impulse. So don't simply buy at the support while you have to monitor the price action. If a firm breakout below the support, then we should follow the momentum and continue to sell silver. The lower support will be 24. Next, for Nasdaq, as long as the price stand above the uptrend line, then we continue to buy, and the upper resistance will be 15,300. Next, for EUR GBP, we can see that the price stand firmly above 0.83. So my suggestion is we continue to buy EUR GBP, and the medium-term target will be 0.86. The last cryptocurrency will be Litecoin. We can see that the price stand firmly and move upwards steadily in 4-hour chart. So my suggestion is as long as the price stand above the uptrend line, we can continue to buy until 142. So that's all for my sharing today. If you think the information that I share useful, kindly follow and subscribe to our channel. Last but not least, I wish you all have a nice day and happy trading. We see you again on next week. Bye bye.